Here's my big news, guys. I'm a landowner. Landowner. This is what I've been waiting to tell everybody. It's taken a couple months to finalize. I'm not gonna lie, it was kind of a spur of the moment decision. I was like, oh, deposits are only like my entire savings, so that's cool. This is officially mine. It's 15 acres, 2 rustic cabins, and I don't know how. Alright, we're gonna sit down for a second, Hannah, and we're gonna talk. Okay. I started this like I start most things, namely the van. Like the van, I started by just getting an idea in my head, and then a week later I had a van. This was very much like that. I was like, it would be nice to have a piece of land that I could, play around in the forest and park my van and sleep and have for myself. And so I started going on Zillow. I contacted a realtor, started looking around. And by started, I mean my realtor took me on a tour one day. And this was the first property she took me to. I was basically like, I don't know if I need to see any other properties. This one was it. It's been a couple months of getting the loan application and like the whole loan process and getting approved and all of the things. There were a couple hiccups along the way, but I am here. I just got it I closed, what day is it? I closed 3 days ago. I have been nonstop cleaning because it's a very rustic cabin. The previous owners weren't here very often, so it's quite dirty. But if you know me, you know I like projects and I like cleaning, so it is perfect for me, and I've been having a hell of a time. This is the new chapter. If anyone's concerned that I'm not going to be in the van anymore, I actually plan on being in the van this winter because this cabin is not winterized. I don't know. We'll see how long I can manage the chilliness into winter, and then my plan is to hop back in the van and go south for the winter and then come back and like really work on this place in the summer, next summer. But until then, I'm going to be going ham, just cleaning and redecorating and doing projects. So that's the rundown. As far as some technical stuff, it's 15 acres. It's very wooded. I've got woods on either side of the cabin. I was very surprised that it does not take a fortune to own land. Like, I've been paying $750 for an apartment for like 5 years. A month. The loan, I think the interest rate locked in at 3.6%. So the down payment was $11,700. The monthly payments are literally like $370. That's insanity. Like, what? So yeah, I mean, obviously I had to build up credit to be able to get the loan, but holy shamoly. If you're at that point in your life where you're like, like it would be nice to own my own, what? Like, I was renting a 1-bedroom apartment for $750 a month, and now I have 15 acres and 2 cabins and my own space. Anyway, I know you're all waiting for me to show you around, so I'm gonna show you around. I want you to bear in mind that I have only been cleaning for like 2 days, and in 2 days I've managed to scrape paint off of one ceiling and clean the kitchen. Everything else is still very dirty and run down, so just bear that in mind. The rest of the videos following this one will be a lot better because you'll see the progress of the cleaning and redecorating. Okay. My van, still have him. He's in the driveway. Oh, you can't even see him. Also, I love that this whole property is like super, like just overgrown. I always told my mom when I was growing up that I wanted to let my grass grow out if I ever had a house. And she always told me like, oh, you can't do that because, I don't know, something about the fact that like your neighbors would not be happy about it. And you actually cannot let your grass grow out. Oh yeah, sorry. Here's the second cabin. You can't see it. There it is. Okay, here we go. How cute is this? I've decided that this one's gonna be my workshop. Slow down, Hannah. Talk normal. They left me quite a few things, some chests and drawers and stuff, so that'll be useful. But I decided very early on that I wanted to use this as a workshop. So this one has like the lower capacity for electric. Like it's still got electric, but on the breaker, on the circuit box, on the electric do hanger out there, I looked and this one has a lower capacity. I'm gonna have to fix that, but I do want to just set up a workshop in here and just make this the place where I get to saw things and sew things and paint things and I don't know, just all sorts of things, and make this kind of the creative area and also a guest house kind of. So there's the view from the stairs. This one also has a wood-burning stove. It's in so much better shape than the other one. This is the upstairs. It's pretty bare bones. I can definitely use this as like a guest room. I'm thinking I'll probably set up like a bed and stuff up here. There's also a shed outside. Here's the shed area. They left some workbenches. These are the dilapidated stairs. They're not that dilapidated. They're just not quite structurally sound. They left me a ladder. There's a door under here. Oh, there's like a couple ladders. Oh, there's a giant ladder. I keep finding things out the more I poke around. Here's the shed. Very, very simple. Again, they left me stuff. All the things. A wheelbarrow? Who knew? A circular saw? I don't know if it works. A drill. Nice. That does not look like it works. Oh! A jigsaw. I wonder if any of those work. Lots of things. Clippers. Oh, damn it. I just bought one of these today. Oops. Should have looked around first. And then this is the yard. My parents came over and had a bonfire last night with some friends, so that was fun. Like, I own this. What? And then down here, there's a little area that they have fenced off very interestingly. I will probably fix up the fencing. It's kind of falling over. But I can definitely use this space as a garden if I want to. They're all gone now, but I was out here a couple weeks ago. There were cherries everywhere. Yeah, they're all gone, but you can see where the stems were. So there's cherries, which is super fun. I have no idea if there's anything else that's growing back here. Next summer, I will be able to come out here, see what comes in, and also like weed everything, set up like this, the fences better, and try my hand at gardening, which I have never done before, so it's so fun. Maybe I'll start cooking. Who knows? Endless possibilities. I'm very excited. There's a lot going on in my head. Whew. Guys, I'm so excited. I'm super out of breath. This cabin has the higher power input voltage, the better power system. There's more power. I can get more power in here, and it also has the running water. I have a well on the property, so the water runs to this cabin, and then the other cabin doesn't have water yet. I might get water, who knows. Here's the entrance. I have a giant screen porch. Very nice. I think I'll probably put a couch, like a day bed out here or something, like a futon, I don't know. Next we have, the one big thing that I'm gonna have to work on in this cabin is I'm going to definitely have to jack up one end of the cabin because it has slumped. I don't know if you can tell, but the kitchen is at an incline like this. So everything's lopsided. Yeah, that will be a learning curve. I don't know how to jack up a house. We'll see. We'll see how that goes. But anyway, that's the kitchen. I have just scrubbed the floors. The floors looked like this yesterday. I mean, you can see the difference. That's brownish yellow, and this is like off-white. And then I had this giant wood-burning stove, which is going to be good, I think, because I've woken up here and it's kind of chilly. I'm gonna experiment with that stove and see how warm it gets. I think it will be good. Obviously, I have an oven. There's a gas tank behind the cabin. I have running water in here. I'm gonna have to rearrange this kitchen, I think, because this is not very well thought out. I mean, it's perfect for a cabin. The previous owners used this very sporadically as a cabin and weren't living here permanently like I hope to do. If I turn around, this is like the dining area slash like staircase slash also another screen door right out to my yard. I have a yard with like a fire pit and I'm so pumped. This room's really dirty. This is like the living room area. They were going to redo it and insulate it. So they tore out all of this business, all the wall. Then they decided not to finish it because they weren't sure if whoever bought it was going to just tear down the cabin or what. If I'm gonna insulate, at least this part is half finished. Before I go upstairs, I'll show you through the kitchen. Here's the kitchen. There's a doorway right here, obviously. The water heater's over here. The fridge is in here. And then the bathroom is through here. There is no toilet. I have an outhouse. There's the shower. And there's really nothing else in there. I have hot water, which is nice, but yeah, no toilet, which is fine. I mean, I've been living in a van, I can deal. I have an outhouse though, so I will get to that. Hannah, I'm not going in order very well. The outhouse is out that door. I will take you out there in a second because that is possibly one of my favorite like features of this cabin. I think it's hilarious. And then upstairs is a little loft area, and I think this is going to be my bedroom. There's a secondary little loft area, which I think is going to be where I put my bed because it's the size of a full mattress. So it's going to be beautiful. That window looks out over my yard. This will be free to be my closet space. So I've been scraping the ceilings because all the paint is peeling off. So that is taking a long time. I also just bought the right stuff to fix up the cracks in the walls and I'm gonna repaint in here. So I kind of want to get this space done before a lot of other, there's a giant bee in here. Do you want out? I think you want out. 1 second. I have to help a distressed bee. I think he's really mad now. Okay, excuse me while I go put this bee outside. God. Chill. He's back in nature. I think I'm gonna have a lot of animal friends at this new property. I was gonna show you the outhouse. Go through here. And out there is my outhouse. I have not cleaned it yet. That's what I'm doing today. It's got a lot of cobwebs and whatnot in it. Here it is. Cute little outhouse in the woods. That's a glass wall. Let me tell you, it's something else going to the bathroom in the middle of the night. Very basic. I found this part very charming because you can sit and watch nature. The previous owners left me a pair of binoculars to sit and bird watch. I'm pretty much expecting to be using the toilet at some point and watch a bear cross that window. Someday, maybe I'll put a toilet in. That's it, guys. I have no idea. I didn't go into this video with a plan. We're now set back up where we started. I just figured I'd film a little walk around, talk about it a little bit, give you some updates, and yeah, I'm sure I'll do better with my next videos as to like a straightforward content, but this is where it's going. I live in a forest now. I bought a forest. I'm just like, I don't know what my life is coming to. I'm super excited about it though. So yeah. I'm sure my next videos will be updates and renovations and decorating and stuff, so. I have no clue how to end this, so I'm just gonna say goodbye, but I'm super excited. I hope you guys are excited also to see how all of this turns out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next week, guys. Bye.